Kia ora again. This is the Naunau Girls. Just want to introduce you to the Naunau Girls. If you just tuned into the Moments in Time YouTube channel, I'm Julie and that's
I'm Justina.
Justina Mustonen or Anitonia.
Antonia.
Maiden name
Tariu.
Anitonia.
Tariu Antonia.
Tariu Antonia. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to put my dad's name on, more important.
Yeah, true that.
It's
Anyway,
like your one.
just introducing the Naunau Girls. If you see the Naunau Girls videos, that's us, and it's just about showing us walking around wherever. And you get to see some of the sights here in Rarotonga, and we also did some sightseeing when we were in Achu, like Nei tau aere ki Achu?
What was it? It's
Maybe-
not last year?
Nah, 2 years ago. I think 2 years ago. So we went muck around. That's how we started this no business. 2 years ago, and
2 years, I don't know.
and we've been walking ever since then, all over the place. And we hope to bring you more walking adventures wherever we end up, either on the road, in the sea, the lagoon, wherever. Hopefully we get to do that in Naitstaki
Yeah, I hope so.
sometime at the end of the year.
Yeah, I know. We are going over there.
Yeah. Yeah, kita kita there.
Yeah, tonu, yeah.
Top secret. Anyway, yes, welcome to Moments in Time YouTube channel. Hope to see you some more, and please subscribe. Ka kite.
Kita.